7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, so the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, follow. 5, 6, 7. We're going to do inside turn into a check. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Make sure we're doing this the same way. So now I'm going to start turning her to the right, pulling with my right hand. 1, I let go of the left. I'm going to start turning to the right over my head. 2, the palm is going to be up as I go over her head. 3, I'm going to finish it. 5, keeping the hand super glued as I back turn on 6, 7. Make sure we're to the left side of the slide. I'm going to be giving her a Copa on 1. See how now the fingers are having tension going forward. Bring her forward. 2, go over the head on 3. Now I'm going to accelerate her into another turn, pushing through the neck as I salsa step with her. 5, 6, 7. I'm going to be prepping her in on 1. Turn her with the same right hand that's around her on 2, 3. I'm going to leave the hand high. Guys are going to do a right turn, switching into our left hand. 5, 6, 7. So this hand is starting to move over my head quick because on count 1, I'm going to be giving her a quick right turn. 1. On 2, I'm going to stop her. 2. So by stepping to the side, we're applying pressure here. So now we both turn left on 3. Follow her. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body leap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Inside turn. 1, 2, 3. Check forward. 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to start turning to the right away on 1. Turn 2. Turn 3. Follow, finish the basic. 5, 6, 7. Copa on 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to turn cha-cha-cha. Cha-cha-cha. 6, 7. Now from here, we're going to go forward on 1, turn to the right on 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now here on 1, on 7, we already started to feel the turn to the right. We're going to do a quick turn to the right on 1 on the right foot. 1 and 2, just like a little prep here. Then on 3, we're going to spin 2 times to the left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross body leap. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hello guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button right here. That way you never miss our latest update. We also have a website. Check it out. The link in the description. That way we can also have a live class together. See you there!